free. Then I have this one, Mixcloud. It's somewhat free, but not completely free. Then there's Reverb Nation, actually free, and Reverb Nation actually has like a lot of audience, so you can check it out. Then there's Bandcamp, which is free. Then we have Identify. This one here is not necessarily for uploading beats, but yeah, you can use it to get yeah, you can use it to get money from your beats, something like that. Yeah. So, god damn it, I'm advertising Doritos for free there. Doritos, if you want me to put your stuff on my videos, you gotta sponsor me. Anyway, guys, if you are selling something or you want to collab on videos and stuff like that, I'm actually active these days. You can hit me up. You can hit me up on trinitytunezsa. Trinitytunezsa. SA. I want to show you guys my email. Where's that? This one. Yes. You can hit me up on this email address over here. Trinitytunezsa. What. Somebody sent me a loop, so I'm going to make confirm. Hold on a minute, guys. Let me confirm something. And I hate that I have to do this with Google every time. I hate it. Google. Okay. We are back. Confirmed. We are good now. Yeah. By the way, guys, this year I'm gonna be live a lot on this channel. So yeah, I'm gonna be live a lot on this channel over here. So Stomp Beats sent me melody, so let me download. There's a readme in here, so I say give me your love. I say give me your love, all you got. No. Okay, we are back. I'd be surprised. Okay. Readme, melody. Let's read the readme. What are the terms? Stomp Beats. What are the terms and the conditions? Okay. Yo, these loops are not royalty free. Okay. I am entitled to 50% of all profits. This is publishing. Okay. If you use one of my loops, we have to add me 50% collab. BeatStars. I don't use BeatStars because ever since I've been using BeatStars, I've never made a lot of sales, so I'm spending more money on BeatStars than I am making money. So I'm done with BeatStars. I'm using other alternatives. I showed you guys the alternatives in the beginning of the video, so go check them out. I'd rather not spend money and make money than spend money and not make money. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I have a stingy mentality. So let's go to the loops. Wait a minute, this thing is not public. Ish. This life is